How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to Binance. So if you've got some Bitcoin sitting inside your Cash App and you want to get it over to Binance account to trade, withdraw, or invest further, you are in the right place. So there isn't a direct one link click between the two apps, but moving your crypto over to blockchain is actually super quick and easy. So let's walk through this step by step. So first, guys, we need to locate where your Bitcoin is going to land. So you can open up your Binance app, navigate over to your wallets, and then you tap on deposit. From there, search for and select Bitcoin, which is also BTC in brackets, as the coin you want to deposit. Now, pay extra close attention here. You'll be prompted to choose a deposit network. Make sure you select the standard Bitcoin network. So just always double check your network settings. If you send it to the wrong network, you will lose all your funds. So with that address copied secretly to your clipboard, and then once you select the correct network, copy the unique deposit address, and then also you can tap it, or you can also tap your QR code and just use it there. So with that address copied, you can just go ahead and close Binance and open up your Cash App. So then you just tap on the Money tab on the bottom left of your dashboard and select the Bitcoin panel. Hit the transaction arrows and select the send command. Type in the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Once you hit next, paste that Binance deposit address you copied earlier directly into the recipient's to line. Double check the first and last 4 characters to make sure it matches your Binance screen perfectly. Choose your preferred transfer speed and then confirm. And after that, your transfer is complete. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, make sure to subscribe.